everyone, it's Becca here and I have another video for you today. I am going to share my vision board with you. I created this vision board at the end of 2017 and I set all of my goals and intentions for 2018. Now that 2018 has come and gone, I am beyond thankful and blessed to announce that every single thing on my vision board actually came true, came to fruition. I want to share this with you because I definitely think it's a useful tool that everyone should use in their life to help keep them on the right track to manifest their dreams and even like be able to stay on the right track to make sure that they're accomplishing their goals and not letting anything kind of sweep them off their path. What is a vision board? A vision board is basically a visual representation of how you want your life to look in a year or in quarterly. And so you want to set your goals and intentions and be very specific with them and kind of put them out on the board using pictures. Arrange them using words, colors, anything that signals to you and your brain and your mind as a reminder to stay on track when accomplishing your goals. This time I decided to make a digital vision board. So the program that I use is Canva, and I use a lot of clip art from Canva and photos that I found online that I would just upload into Canva. Canva is free. I'm gonna link the description. I'm gonna put the link to Canva in the I'm gonna put the link in the description down below so you guys can make your own vision board on Canva. All right, so this is my vision board. I have a bunch of stuff on here that I want to do in 2018, and like I mentioned, every single thing came true. Yas! Alright, so let's start at the top left corner. So these are all the skills that I wanted to learn. So YouTube, I wanted to start practicing my videography and getting better at YouTube. I wanted to be on camera more. So if you guys know me, I studied broadcast journalism at the University of Southern California. I was in Annenberg Media, so I was a reporter. And I wanted to be on camera more. And so I set this intention and I did it. Whoop whoop. I was not only on camera for Annenberg Media, I ended up trying out for this one role through the cinema school. And it's called The Morning Brew, and I was a host on this morning television show that actually got broadcast on actual television. So that was totally unplanned, but it ended up coming through. I love the Adobe Suite, but I really wanted to learn Illustrator, so I had a little Illustrator icon. For skills, get better at speaking. So my voice can be a little high-pitched, so I wanted to, deepen, put some bass in my voice. I still have to practice that, but when I was on camera being a reporter, I wanted to speak like, with Annenberg Media, I'm Rebecca Patterson. I wanted to speak Espanol. I'm half Mexican. El lenguaje de mi sangre, de mi tierra. So I ended up taking a conversational Spanish class, and it was muy bueno. And then I wanted to graduate from USC, my dream school. Okay, so we're gonna go down to financial goals because I'm pretty sure everyone's noticing this Bitcoin right here. Okay, so for Bitcoin, this is when Bitcoin was popping. I actually bought some cryptocurrency when it was extremely low. So even though it's extremely low now, like I made a huge profit. Unfortunately, I didn't pull out, but I wanted to buy more crypto and I wanted to be set financially. Like I wanted to have enough money to afford a new car. You guys know I don't have a new car, but that's because of choice. I'm just driving Sandy, even though she's loud and a little bumpy sometimes and she doesn't have an AC. I am continuing to drive that car, and my plans are to drive until it breaks down because I'm trying to be smart with my money. Next, spiritual. As you guys know, I love God. Like I love Jesus. I love the Bible, the Old Testament. Like God's personality is just dope. Like so underrated. It's amazing, and I really wanted to take more time to read the Bible and build my relationship with God. And so my spiritual goal was to read the Bible every day, or at least as much as I could, start going to church, paying my tithe and offering, observing the Sabbath. And I really throughout school it was kind of hard to do that, but once I graduated and more recently, I've really kind of fallen back in love with the Word of God again. I've been trying my best to go to church. Sometimes it's hard, but I do try my best. And if you guys want to check out like my Bible study videos, I actually created one on how to study the Bible for beginners, because the Bible can be kind of intimidating because of all the big words and all the old terms. So I'm going to link that video in the description box down below. Okay, so for relationships, I had a bunch of friends right here because I kind of felt like throughout school I studied a lot, because USC, their model's spot on. I fought to get into that school and I fought to get some good grades. So I studied a lot, but I wanted to spend more time with my friends and build deeper relationships. And this little handshake, that's like networking. Love is really spending more time with my family and in my romantic relationship. I just wanted to be more giving. So over here is my traveling goal. I wanted to go to Europe initially, but we ended up planning a trip to Cancun, Mexico. So at least I got to leave the country. I got my passport and I traveled. And this like Mexico goal kind of plays into like my Hola Spanish speaking goal, because in Cancun I was definitely able to practicar mi español. Okay, so to my health goal, I was wanting to get into yoga and I wanted to do a headstand. That was my physical goal, and I'm into weightlifting and running, so I wanted to incorporate that into my life more. So when I first made this, I had never taken a yoga class in my entire life. But then within a couple of months, I decided to take one at my university, and I went on to do 2 semesters of yoga, and before I knew it, I was doing headstands. I was doing like all these different really cool poses, and I don't remember the names to them. But I basically accomplished my goal. And for weightlifting, same thing. For running, I wanted to run I wanted to get more into distance running, back into it like I was in high school, and I definitely did that. And I wanted to become more plant-based, and I ended up becoming like a full-on hardcore vegan. I drink my green drinks every morning, as you guys can see, and basically eat more high vibration foods, aka fruits and vegetables. Basically in this middle, la dolce vita, the sweet life. I wanted to enjoy life, and you know what? All this came true. I'm very excited and very blessed and very thankful, and the same thing can happen for you guys. Alright everyone, that's the video I have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button, smack that thumbs up button, and leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite part of the video was and whether or not you're going to make a vision board. Head over to my Instagram at Rebecca Eloisa and send me a DM. I really want to see what vision boards you guys come up with, because I'm so excited when people actually accomplish their goals and when their dreams do come true. Alright, see ya. Mwah.